and welcome to another Pygame tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about another game in Pygame. So in our previous tutorial we make a game like this. Now we have to make another game, and this game is going to be somehow advanced, and it take advanced topic of Pygame, ad, advanced from in comparison with the previous game we made. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to import Pygame as I always did, but there is bit another thing here. I'm going to do pygame.init to show you when we are talking about a game which is big. So firstly, we have to divide it in simple parts. So first part we have to divide it is in game variables. So in my recommendation, game variable you should make another file and then import the file here so that your file will be your work will be separated. Okay, so here I can write game variables, and all the game variables are going to be here. In game variables we are going to also import all our images, load our images. So first of all, let's import pygame. We are also using random things here, randomly showing enemies or many other things. First of all, import these two things which are most important. Then the another thing which is most important is our game variable. So here this is a command. Okay, if you don't know command, please go and watch out and learn basic of Python. It's necessary. Okay, so here is this file. Then I can write from settings import star and star. So now I can go here in this file and save this file as the name of settings. So saving the file, I'm going to my desktop. Then I will go to my game online, and then I think I have to save this file here, setting.py. Here I save the file. Okay, so here we can import the file by writing this from setting.import star. If we import file from this, we rescue ourselves from writing setting dot any variable which we write. So setting dot variable, any variable we write. Okay, so we save ourselves from that thing. Okay, so from setting import star, import all the things. Okay, so okay, then the another thing we have to need here is save this file also. So I'm going to save it on the same location, desktop, Pygame online, and save here as practice 2 and save this file. Okay, so this is my file here, and this is the other file. Okay, so here I imported all the things. So another thing I'm going to do here is, first of all, let's call this front end, which is not really front end, but uh, I'm writing. Okay, so here I can write screen equals to pygame dot display dot set mode, and in mode we can write you can say width of height. Now thing which we are going to lie here is we have to change our file to setting and write here width comma height equal to 700 comma 700. I'm going to make game of this width and height. Okay, and then come here, I'm going to do, okay, so I will to come here and define functions which are going to use I'm going to use in my game, and then I'm going to here I will write the main game loop. This is not going to be main game loop, so let's define our game loop. So this is a systematic way of doing all the things. uh, Till now we do our things in not so in systematic thing. Okay, so it may lie ourselves somehow and confuses when we make a big game. It really needs to make our work clear and pretty, so that after 1 or 2 months when we come we can understand it. Okay, from pygame, for event pygame dot event dot get, if event dot type equals to pygame dot which. So first you have to do is pygame dot quit and then quit. Okay, and another thing we have to do here is screen dot fill. Okay, I'm going to write here white. Also, we have to define some major colors. Okay, so let's get started by defining the major color. So the white color I'm going to define here is 2 to 5 comma 2 to 5 comma 2 to 5. Okay, this is all the basic things you can do by your own. Okay, so this is not so complicated thing, so I need to explain it more than one time. I explain it in my other tutorial. You can watch them one by one. Okay, these are the most common colors in RGB. Okay, so here these are all colors. Coming here, we define the color. We have to pygame dot display dot update to update our screen as we draw anything. And in the end, we have to call the game loop. And after calling the game loop, because game loop here is a function, okay, there are many things which will be different in this game because we are making it in a very different way. Okay, so if I run now this file, you will see if not any error comes. Okay, from settings. Okay, setting, this might be setting. I write here setting. Okay, now if I run the file, okay, another error which is width is not defined. So let's watch here is this width comma height. You write our width. I think my spelling will be wrong. So here what I'm going to do is, okay, one more thing I misspelled, that we have to also save this file. This file doesn't work doesn't work so much, but we have to save that file because we have save our variables in there. So don't forget to save the file. If you do forget to save the file, you have same problem and same confusion like me. Okay, so whenever you make a game variable, please save the file. Okay, so it's necessary. Okay, so here we are in practice.py and here is our screen. So we make a common screen, and for this tutorial is enough. We are going to make our all the things from tomorrow, and I'm going to see if anything's come up that will help us in this tutorial. We are going to also catch up all this thing. Okay, so for this video is enough. Okay, goodbye, bye bye.